This is John from Kleinn Air Horns. I want to talk to you about some great new products for your side-by-side from Kleinn Air Horns, specifically our bolt-on air horn system and onboard air. You've got everything you need on your RZR so far: bumper, new cage, light bars, new tires, decked it out with your new seats and harnesses. The only thing left is a badass air horn and an onboard air system. This product is built for the way you play. This air horn is designed with two separate brackets bolted directly to the frame. This horn isn't going anywhere. And did I mention they're really loud? The heart of your air system, 150 PSI, fully waterproof Kleinn air compressor. Bolted directly to your frame with custom mounting brackets. Mounted above the sway bar, 1 gallon USA made steel air tank. Why don't I just get a portable compressor? Well, let me give you 3 good reasons. Number 1, your Kleinn air system is going to fill your tires a lot faster than any portable. You're out there to ride, not fill tires. Number 2, the ability to seat the bead. If you find yourself out on the trail and you've broken the bead, the only way to do that is with a quick burst of air. The 1 gallon steel air tank is going to give you the ability that no portable can. You can even fill the tires on your tow rig. 37-inch tires, no problem. And did I mention it's really loud? So whether you're cresting a dune, coming around a tight corner, or just want to signal your arrival, nothing's going to do it better than a Kleinn air horn.